Mike Lowry will fire it downfield. Arendse in position, deals with it really well, and it goes to Moody, who's no slouch in the attack either. Picked out Treadwell over his head. Wonderful from Moody. Arendse, oh, it's a worldie. It's an absolute worldie from the Bulls. What a cracking try. Moody and Arendse, if you give them space, well, that is what they will do.
22. Deurgeskop, hier agter opgetel. Deur Kurtley Arendse, Cannon Moody kry. Sy steekskoppie sit hy self agterna, die wip van die bal, kry hom terug, Cannon Moody kry die aansluiting. Kurtley Arendse, en hy gaan deur vir 'n pragtdrie. Skitterend, die tussenspel tussen Cannon Moody en Kurtley Arendse. En is 'n 3 vir die Bulls.
Zanaya Lowry. Arendse. Moody.
Semudini ke ngoku, Semudini ngoku. Game changers. Just shilo mos ngoku, that's the game changers.